Hello and welcome, guys. The first thing that you're going to look at is the sources of heat in the laboratory, and this is found in the first topic of chemistry. Um, Now, we have the sources of heat in the laboratory. One of them is we have got the spirit lamp. The second one is the candle. The third one is the portable burner. We have the kerosene stove, and we also have the bunsen burner. The major focus is on the bunsen burner, and when you talk about the bunsen burner, we've got the parts. We have the parts, that is the base, we have the chimney, we have the jet, air hole, we have the rubber tube. You should be able to know those functions, the various functions of those parts. Then another focus is the two types of flames that are produced by the Bunsen burner. The first type of flame that is produced by the Bunsen burner is a luminous flame, and the other one is the non-luminous flame. Now, a luminous flame is preferred for lighting because it produces much light, while a non-luminous flame is preferred for heating because it produces a lot of heat. Now, under this, you should also know the differences between the two flames. I'll just highlight some few. For instance, the luminous one is large and wavy, non-luminous small and steady. Luminous is bright yellow in color, non-luminous is pale blue in color. Luminous has got 4 zones or 4 layers. Non-luminous has got 3 layers. You should be in a position, by the way, to name those layers. Also, luminous produces less heat. Non-luminous produces much heat. Luminous produces a lot of light. Non-luminous does not produce a lot of light, or rather it produces less light. Now, when you talk again about these two flames, you can get a question: why is a non-luminous flame preferred for heating? Why is it preferred for heating? So when you get such a question, this is how you should respond to it. That a non-luminous flame is preferred for heating because it produces a lot of heat. Then the second reason is that it is preferred for heating because it does not produce soot. Why is the other flame, that is the luminous, why is it not preferred for heating? It is because it produces a lot of soot, which dirtifies the apparatus, and it also produces less heat. Those are the two things that you should be aware. Now, you can also be asked, how can we be able to increase maybe the hotness of a Bunsen burner? This is very simple. You should just specify, or you should be specific enough and say that we can increase the hotness of a Bunsen burner by keeping the air hole fully open. So that is how questions are set in this area. But I saw a question in the last year's KCSE exam whereby they're asking students to describe how you can heat. I think it was I really don't remember the compound or the substance that was being heated, but the question was asking them to describe how a substance can be heated in the laboratory. So basically they are talking about how you can light the Bunsen burner, how you adjust it to a non-luminous flame, then you carry out the other procedure like that. So when they talk about the first topic in chemistry, the major focus over the years, when you look at the past KCSE question, all the focus has been on the types of flames. The types of flames. Mostly they talk about the non-luminous flame. So when reading or when revising the first topic of chemistry, go through the flames. See you in the next video.